Buladean, North Carolina. We're at a distribution center here, and we've just unloaded all of our trucks, and now we're going to start loading up other trucks, the empty ones that we have now, and take some of these supplies to outlying areas that they've sent us to. We didn't know about that until we got here, but the Lord's provided, and we're here, so let's do it.
Box in that loose stuff.
Sheet of OSB board. You know where it went off to?
It's over there on my trailer.
Okay,
Steve,
I got marching orders.
Tell me what your marching orders are.
We are going to an address here. We're going to be taking care of a roof repair right now. And then after that, we have another whole home to look at.
Okay.
So we have supplies we need to do the work here.
Very good. Thank you for coming, Steve. We appreciate it.
Let's go to work.
What's your first experience? What do you think?
I think it's amazing how the community has come together. They have an influx of everything in abundance. And so we're here helping them serve. And then now they're distributing to other communities. And so where God has blessed them, they're able to go out and bless other people. So our main job today is to go and deliver resources to other places from this place as the hub.
So that's why we packed up. We're ready to go somewhere else.
Let's go. We're ready to roll.
I'm after you.
We got our first house to repair too.
There's a hole somewhere.
Are you a mountain climber?
No.
Clearly not.
I'm just a TR redneck.
Well, here we are. We've unloaded, we've loaded, we've ate, and now we're going somewhere else, and I don't know where we're at.
We're going to Red Hill. We're going to carry them some emergency meals. We're going to carry them some water and some sleeping bags.
was there is no longer there. Okay, we got a lot of weight on this truck and the road's in bad condition, so we stopped to take a look and make sure that...
Hey Jackson, we gotta back up.
You can see here that upside down piece of cement used to be a bridge. Okay, this is Green Mountain Distribution Center. And as you can see, they got people and supplies everywhere. It's very hard to get in here. But it's incredible the heart and the courage of these people. Green Mountain, North Carolina. Water devastation is beyond imagination.
We're at the point now that we're getting so many supplies. We're not saying don't keep giving us supplies because, you know, a week from now, they kind of cut back a little bit. We need people on the ground that are able to get up into the mountains to get to those houses. We need manpower more than supplies right now.
Chainsaws, carpenters, that sort of thing.
Yeah, fuel, you know, propane, gas, butane, kerosene for the heaters and stuff. It gets chilly in these mountains at night.
Yeah.
warm during the day, cold at night.
Right.
Well,
Little bit chilly.
the outpouring of supplies has just been unbelievable.
Oh, absolutely, yeah. I mean, as far west as Arizona, they're bringing a convoy in today.
We literally got a roadblock because there's a helicopter on the road down there. So we're waiting for that to move so we can go forward. This is Green Mountain Post Office. You can see when you go in, look at all the mud that is in the post office. You look at the wall, the water line is above that door.
Pastor Ben, how's that sidewalk look over there? Washed away.
No, this looks solid. Okay, we're at North Bend, Free Will Baptist Church. And this is a drop-off center here. They say they already got enough water. They're wanting the propane and the heaters. They need power tools and generators right now. That seems to be a big need, but there's none available at Buladean.
We just totally lost Larry Julius got it.
Yeah, they went a different direction with another.
We passed it right here.
We are now at the Samaritan's Purse Distribution Center. It's a shopping center. Billy Graham Rapid Response Team is here, and it just goes all the way around. This whole parking lot is filled up with supplies.